welcome to my channel. Shanese Danae here. If you are new, please make sure you hit that little subscribe button as well as ring the bell so that way you never miss a video. But today is going to be a little bit different. We are going to do a home decor for fall and I'm super excited. I can't believe fall is like literally right around the corner, and to me that's super insane. So if you're interested in seeing what I got and what little knickknacks I got for the low, keep watching. Anyway, small story short, the first tip I want to give you guys is use centerpieces. Centerpieces is just so easy to use. You can go to Walmart. That's what I did. I got $2 flowers, $2. And I already had my original decor is like creams and whites and grays. I wanted to do something that was mainly like a beige, plain color, easy to add accent colors. So if your living room is already like a million colors, it's probably gonna be difficult to change it by the season. But what I did was I went to Walmart and got $2 flowers. I got about 3. My centerpiece in my dining room is actually a cream color, so I just added like 5 or 4 flowers, and honestly it made it amazing. Like it looks like I did something fancy, and I promise you guys I didn't do anything. I just stuck the flowers in there and just wished for the best, as you can see here. But yeah, so it was definitely fun creating that, and it only cost me about $10 to do. So if you're looking to save your buck, definitely try to add little centerpieces. Also, you can go to like Ross, Home Goods, Marshalls, and you can also try out these little cute little centerpieces that they have, and you can add little candles. These centerpieces can run you anywhere between $10 to $40. Honestly, it depends on the width and how large and how full you want it, but honestly, I mean, that's just right now with just the centerpieces, I mean, that's 20 bucks right there. So you're already at your goal in regards to saving money. The next thing you can do, guys, is just find little cute accent pieces. You can also go to Ross, Home Goods, and TJ Maxx. They're all jointed together, just different prices. That's probably why you figure that their tags look similar, their setup in their stores is similar. But yeah, so this right here, I got little knickknacks all throughout my house. Some were like $5.99, some were $12.99. This here, since it's like nice glass and it's stained. Oh, wait a second. Oh my God, I just figured out that oh my God, guys, it takes batteries. It lights up. Wait a second. See, that's when, see what I mean? This little thing was $12, and I was wondering why it was $12, because I was like, well, maybe it's $12 because it's like glass. But then now it makes sense why it was $12, because it lights up. So now I have to switch. I have to switch out these two. I have to put this one here and then this one here. Now the next thing, guys, that you can add is pillows. Now I have a set of pillows that will always remain on my couch, and then I have accent pillows that I add throughout the year. So again, all of my pillows are like the creams, the grays, and the beige, and then any pillow that has character they're my accent pillows. I try to get at least 4 accent pillows to add to the pillows that I already have, so that way it gives my couch just a nice comfy feel. As you can see, I have all the pillows here, just so that way it kind of creates a nice element and just kind of brings your decor to life whenever you're trying to go by the season. I have to have a throw blanket whenever I am sitting on a couch, whenever I'm eating. I don't know, it's just like really strange. Well, if I'm eating at the dining table, I don't need a throw, but if I'm like upstairs in our loft, like I still need a throw. Like I feel like, I don't know, it just makes everything so comfortable. Hey guys, so if you like and enjoy videos like this, house to home decor videos, anything of that sort, and you like the way that I decorate, please make sure you leave me a comment down below and let me know, as well as hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that way you never miss when I upload a video. But until next time, guys, deuces.